In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a reliable incident runbook in Confluence. Start by opening Confluence and navigating to your organization's operations or engineering space. Using the correct space keeps the runbook visible to the right teams and under the right governance. If you're unsure which space to use, check the space directory or the sidebar your team typically uses for production documentation. Avoid personal spaces for this, since runbooks need broad accessibility and continuity. Next, create a new page dedicated to the runbook. Give it a clear, consistent title that includes the system or service name and, if relevant, the environment. Add a brief summary at the top so anyone landing on the page immediately understands the scope. Consistent naming and summaries make the runbook easier to discover during high-pressure moments. If your Confluence has a runbook template, use it. Templates provide a consistent structure and help you avoid missing critical details. You can find them in the template gallery when creating the page. If there's no template available, consider referencing a trusted existing runbook to mirror its layout so your team's documents stay uniform. Now add the essential sections: purpose, alerts, troubleshooting steps, escalation contacts, and recovery actions. In the purpose section, explain what the runbook covers and when to use it. In alerts, describe the specific symptoms or alert names that should trigger this runbook, along with any thresholds or error messages people might see. For troubleshooting steps, write in clear sequential language and include decision points like, if this, then do that. Keep commands or procedures high level and never include credentials or sensitive details. In escalation contacts, list the role or team function and how to reach them, ensuring it reflects your on-call process. For recovery actions, outline how to restore service safely, including verification checks to confirm the system is healthy. Link any related systems, dashboards, tickets, or monitoring tools as needed. Add hyperlinks to observability dashboards, ticket queues, knowledge base pages, dependency maps, and on-call schedules so responders can move quickly without searching. Check that links are current and avoid embedding any sensitive information. Review the runbook with your team, walk through the steps together, validate the escalation paths, and confirm the recovery checks. Capture feedback with page comments or suggestions to refine clarity and completeness. Finally, keep the runbook updated after incidents or process changes. After each event, return to the document, add what worked, clarify what didn't, and note significant changes with a brief update entry and date. Continuous updates keep the runbook trustworthy when it matters most.